Hey guys, this is my Richard Videos. Well, I was working in the shop yesterday, and I had one of these grinder wheels blow apart on me on my bench grinder, and this is the one that's still on there. That's grinding away, and the whole thing shattered. And good thing I was wearing my goggles because I probably would have got one of these in the eye. So, anyways, I was looking at a hardware store and was looking for a grinding stone with this half-inch hole in it. Well, I couldn't find, there was nowhere in this stupid little town that has this size. They've all gone to 3/4 and 1 inch. So it's a pretty old bench grinder. I've had it for many years, and it works good. But I couldn't find grinding stones for it. So I had to go on Amazon and I'll show what I found. Hold on. Using my camcorder for this at the moment. But yeah, so I found this on Amazon, grinding stone, and it goes, it reduces down from 1 inch to ½ inch. Has little spacers in there, and it just reduces down. The price is right too for, I think, what is it? I'm getting a 60 grit anyway, because I'm sharpening my lathe bit. I have little bits for my lathe, and if you use between 60 and 80 grit grinding stone for sharpening tooling bits. Don't ask me how I know that. I just know that. So, anyways, you guys can figure it out. Internet. So, anyways, I'm getting a couple of them, and I mean, it's just well worth the money for this. So, yeah, like I said, I tried to find these stones on in town here, but no one has them. Like, everyone's gone to more modern 3/4 1 inch bore on the stones. So, anyways, if you guys are have these old bench grinders, just go on Amazon and look for this kind of style of bore. It reduces it from 1 inch to ½ inch. There's a bunch of little spacer things in there, and it'll save you a lot of headache and a lot of time too. So, alrighty, thought I'd post it up. You can tell I'm buying it because it's already purchased this there. So, it's 22nd. Anyways, thanks for watching. Just a little tip for you guys. Talk to you later.